In this video I'm gonna show you what each part of Blender screen does, so you know where everything is and how to use it. Okay, so once you create a new file, you'll see Blender's default workspace layout. So you can see camera, you can see cube, you can see the light, and this is the default screen. At the very top you have the menu bar. Here you'll find things like file, like edit, render, window, and help. These are just the basic stuff. On the right side you will see tabs like layout, modeling, scripting, UV editing, texture paint, and so on. These tabs are called workspaces. Each one is made for a specific task. But right now we're just in the layout mode, which is the basic one. So if we go to modeling, this tab is made only for modeling. Sculpting is only made for sculpting, and UV editor is made only for UV editing, and so on. So these are called workspaces. But right now we're in layout workspace, which is the default one. Right in the center of the screen, it's called 3D Viewport. This is where most of our work will happen. So you'll see basic scene already set up with the cube, light, and camera. You can rotate around, you can move things, you can zoom in and out, all the things you can do here. So on the left side you'll see the toolbar. This has basic tools like move, rotate, scale, and so on. So you can press T to minimize it and T to open it. So this is our toolbar. In the right top corner there is a gizmo, so you can see I can click on it and move around. It shows X, Y, and Z axis and helps you navigate in the 3D space more easily. So you can click on it and just move around. Over on the right, this tab is called Outliner. This is basically a list of items or objects that you have in the scene. This tab is made for organizing stuff, so you can hide stuff, you can unhide stuff, you can put it out the render and stuff like that. So this is made for organization. So just below the outliner there is a property tab. This is where you'll adjust settings for whatever object you have selected, like its position, modifiers, materials, constraints, and stuff like that. It is represented by the icon so you can find it more easily. At the very bottom there is a timeline. This is mainly used for animation, but if you're just learning modeling and texturing, you won't need to worry about it right now, but it's good to know what it is. So, and that was just a quick overview of the Blender layout. Don't worry if it feels like a lot. Once you start using the Blender, it will be just more natural. So yeah, don't get over excited about all these buttons, because you will actually need like 20% of this stuff. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.